Live from South by Southwest. I'm here with Sherlyn Lowe. And what did we just do?
We just attended the Build-A-Vibrator workshop presented by Crave, the people who made the first crowdfunded vibrator. It's pretty cool, right?
It's pretty awesome.
In case you didn't know, this is what our vibrators are.
They're not microphones.
We built these sort of from scratch. Like, they gave us the parts. We just glued and screwed things together.
You know, like, okay, so we had, what, maybe 6 different parts that we had to put together. There's a USB stick in here with a battery. There's this little prongy thing that we covered in our pants. We got to pick our color. We both picked the same color. Cheers. Yeah, and then there's the power thing on the bottom, and we use silicone oil to put it all together. Silicone grease
yes.
To put it all together. It's waterproof, it's heavy and sturdy.
And it vibrates.
Which is pretty important for a vibrator.
I don't know why I put it in my mouth, but it feels really good.
It's actually super strong.
Yes, can you hear it?
Oh, I can hear yours.
Yeah, I can hear yours too. Oh, ooh. I love this one. This is the get me going one?
No, this is like the surprise one where it's like, what am I going to do?
Ooh!
Oh,
Yeah.
No, it's good.
But can we put them together?
Oh no, singularity, it's happening.
This is normally sort of a $130 vibrator. When Crave does these, at other shows that they've brought this workshop to, they charge $99 per person. Mm-hmm. Today here at South by, we and other attendees got to do it for free if we were lucky enough to RSVP in time.
Absolutely.
The interesting news though is that they're bringing the show on the road.
Yeah.
They took an Airstream out or something?
So yeah, they have an RV trailer, it's an Airstream trailer. They've kitted out with this whole Build-A-Vibe workshop thing.
Yes.
And they're gonna basically travel across the US showing people how to build vibrators and like hosting parties, and they want to go, it sounds like, wherever anyone wants a vibrator. Weddings was one thing they threw out there, just like conferences for CEOs or whatever you want, like
whatever event.
Really,
and the goal is not just to kind of teach you how to build your own vibrator, it's also sort of to open the door on conversations about taboo topics like sex toys. Because if they all sort of started the workshop by showing us a visual history of vibrators, and the way the vibrator looks today reflects a lot about society's thoughts on sex today.
As it pertains to women.
As it pertains specifically to women.
Right, because women have had a rocky history with sexual identity and just expressing sexuality.
Yeah.
So recently we're turning a corner, you know, we're having more conversations, and this is part of it.
Yes.
This is like high quality silicone materials, heavy battery. It's got a nice little carrying case that makes it feel, I mean, super like sleek and sophisticated.
It smells great too.
It kind of does.
To that point now, women are taking control of our sex lives and our sex toys, and by taking control of building it, that's sort of giving us a meta look at how we're taking control of stuff here at South by. Which is a really fun workshop altogether.
Everyone there was having a good time. There was nothing gross about it,
no.
Obviously, because that's the worry, is that, oh, you're going to talk about sex, it's going to be something nasty. But honestly, this proves that the conversation can be civilized, I mean, even academic, and also very fun.
Yeah.
And we get to take a little toy home, which is pretty cool.
It's a nice thing to come out of South by, of all the quirky stuff we've seen here. So for more of the cool stuff out of South by Southwest, stay tuned to Engadget.com.